Hey, what's up? This is Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and you can tell it's a slow season because I'm not reviewing a bicycle, but instead a folding box bag sort of deal. It's called the Rux, and it's actually pretty cool, but there is one catch. I like bicycles, and in turn, I've grown to love the gear as well. I've made some winter riding gear videos, even reviewed a backpack that I still rock for pretty much every single photo shoot, but now I've got the Rux. The company sent it out as a review unit, but other than that, they haven't told me anything in terms of what they would like me to say. They just want my honest opinion, so here it comes. The Rux was designed to be a collapsible carrier to do all sorts of gear carrying. The ideal use case is getting things out of your trunk and then taking it to the activity destination, like a beach or a trailhead. Beach gear like towels, sandals, or extra plastic trash to throw into the ocean fit perfectly. Or in my case, organizing bicycling gear such as helmets, pads, shoes, and all of that stuff. Really, this carrier is a passport to adventure, and durability has a lot to do with it. Even though the Rux is flexible and collapsible, it's made from a thick material that they call 840D TPU coated nylon. This waterproof exterior is ultra tough and makes for a rugged companion in the most unexpected places. If and when this thing becomes dirty, you can actually just take it out and hose it off and then put it outside to dry. I really wish that bicycles could do that too. Let's take a look at all the functions because there's a lot of it in here. The Rux comes with this top, and it looks like it's loose and pointless, but actually it isn't. The top can be clipped to the lip of the container for a snug fit and strapped down for extra support. The sides can be opened up for quick access as well. This will withstand a fair amount of weather when it's all closed up. I wouldn't venture to say that it's waterproof, but I think that it could do snow and even rain. I would totally risk my contents thinking that it'll stay dry. A few more features are the backpack or the carrying strap, of course the side handles, and also lash points on the bottom to secure most anything to the Rux or the Rux to anything. And last but not least, the bottom is actually really tough and flexible, making me more than happy to throw it around without a second thought. For cycling gear, the Rux is a wonderful companion to have inside the car, or maybe even strapped to the back of a cargo bike to go the distance. In either case, the capacity and organization would be a really great help when I'm out on the trail. Not having to fish through an entire trunk of the car or unpack an entire backpack would be a really welcome improvement because I've had to do that more than once. On the other side of that, I wouldn't really use the backpack straps for the Rux when riding a bicycle since the straps are really just made for light-duty walking. Also, the Rux has a large footprint and I would not put it on the back of a normal bike rack because it would likely just slide right off. I suppose you could strap it down, but that's an awful lot of work. But really, those are all small complaints next to an otherwise great product. Rux even goes the distance by having a variety of accessories, like an inner pack, slat wall pegs, and a whole lot more. So what is that one catch that I mentioned earlier? Well, it's not surprising, it's actually just the price. This heavy-duty folding carrier, as you see it here, costs $265. For that price, you might be deciding between a carry-on rolling Pelican case or perhaps a collapsible crate for around 40 big ones. Both of these options do the same basic function of carrying stuff, but neither of them have the unique combination of features that the Rux does. It's very portable, of course, flexible, durable, and has an interesting variety of uses with all those extra accessories. When I'm packing up the car, it fits my adventure needs very well, despite the sticker shock. But you know what? I still like it. So what do you think of the Rux? Would you pay $265 for a folding box bag? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on later.